Welcome to our educational video on ISO 14444 and Lifecycle Assessment, LCA. ISO 14444 is a standard that provides guidelines for conducting a lifecycle assessment, or LCA, in a systematic and transparent manner. It is closely related to ISO 14040, which outlines the principles and framework for conducting LCA. Let's start by looking at the 4 phases of LCA: goal and scope definition, lifecycle inventory analysis, LCI, lifecycle impact assessment, LCIA, and interpretation. Each phase plays a crucial role in understanding the environmental impacts of a product or process. In the goal and scope definition phase, key elements such as the goal of the study, the scope boundaries, and the functional unit are established. This phase sets the foundation for the entire LCA process. Next, in the lifecycle inventory analysis, LCI phase, a detailed inventory of all inputs and outputs of the product or process is compiled. This phase involves collecting data on energy consumption, raw materials, emissions, and waste throughout the lifecycle. Moving on to the lifecycle impact assessment, LCIA phase, the environmental impacts of the product or process are evaluated. This phase considers factors such as global warming potential, resource depletion, and human toxicity. It helps to understand the overall environmental footprint of the product or process. Finally, in the interpretation phase, the results of the LCA are analyzed and interpreted. This phase involves identifying areas for improvement, making recommendations, and communicating the findings to stakeholders. The interpretation phase is crucial for making informed decisions based on the LCA results. Throughout the LCA process, it is important to note that it is iterative in nature. Data and assumptions may need to be revised, and new information may come to light. This iterative approach ensures that the LCA is comprehensive and accurate. ISO 14044 provides a framework for conducting LCA in a consistent and reliable manner. It helps to ensure that the results of the LCA are transparent and comparable. By following the guidelines set out in ISO 14044, organizations can conduct robust LCAs that provide valuable insights into the environmental impacts of their products and processes. Reporting and critical review are also important aspects of the LCA process. It is essential to clearly communicate the results of the LCA and undergo a critical review to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the findings. In conclusion, ISO 14044 plays a crucial role in ensuring that LCAs are conducted in a systematic and transparent manner. By following the guidelines outlined in ISO 14044, organizations can gain valuable insights into the environmental impacts of their products and processes. Thank you for watching our video on ISO 14044 and LCA. Subscribe for more content on environmental sustainability and technical standards.